Come camping with us in one of the jewels of the Florida State Parks camping system. Gamble Rogers State Park has two sections. One is the beachside section and the other is the Riverside section. And look at this site. About a month ago we got this, we booked it in January for mid-February, like the most popular week, you know, President's Week and all. But somehow we got really lucky, so. Simply cross Ocean Boulevard or Ocean...
This road.
And here we are.
Made aware later.
We're gonna have to put that again.
When you enter Gamble Rogers Oceanside, it doesn't take but a minute to see why this park is always full.
There are 34 campsites located on the ocean side.
With a maximum RV length of 47 feet, each site contains water, electric, picnic table, and a fire ring.
And this is site number 5, my dream site. Imagine this with the Atlantic right behind you. I changed my mind. This is the site I want. Dune walkovers provide easy access to the beach while protecting the fragile dune system. The campground does allow dogs, however, there are no dogs allowed on the beach. So if you have a pup, make sure you go up north or south from here.
As you can see from the shot, just how close you get to park to the ocean. The small park is tucked gently between the shores of the Atlantic Ocean and the Intercoastal Waterway.
I would love to see a gator from afar. Great park.
This is right, short tiny walk from the campground, takes you right to this little waterway. You can launch some boats, rent some kayaks, find a nice little bench like this, and just kind of chill.
And right off the campground, you have a little adventure to follow. Hoping not to find any alligators back here.
That is not true.
Which way do we go, boss? Right this way. Got similar hair. There are 34 campsites on the Riverside, as well as the only dump station in the park.
This is one of the full hookup spots, full concrete. So if you need access to the bathroom or a wheelchair, anything like that, or a walker, nice and simple.
We jumped on our bikes and rode the short distance down to Flagler Beach.
Along the way, we passed the famous Pirate House.
And a pelican dressed in his best Valentine's Day attire.
Downtown Flagler Beach has a very large fishing pier. There is a cost though if you just want to walk out onto the pier. Okay, pelican.
And my husband already beat me to it. Need a capital H on that. I can't help myself.
That is fins. We took the 20-mile drive down to Daytona Beach to do something that I've always wanted to do. Drive on the beach, because you can't do that in New Jersey.
Afterwards, we took a walk on Daytona Beach to check out some of the other attractions. What'd you get?
French vanilla with caramel. A no trip to Daytona Beach would be complete without a trip down Main Street to check out the biker bars. We were here a little early. Bike week hadn't started yet. The place was a ghost town.
And after an unforgettable day on Daytona Beach, we headed back to our campsite.
The park is named after a Floridian folk singer who drowned while trying to save another swimmer.
And here's a perfect ending to another perfect day in Florida, an unforgettable sunset.
And remember, when you're out there loving life,
Do it hitched up.